Hello. Today we're going to be exploring the Port Analytics Dashboard. When a user enters this dashboard, they will be prompted to select a date range and an individual port. When they click the Update button, they'll be zoomed into the port, and here we can see all of the vessels that are at this port, at the Anchorage and at the berths. We can click to see the individual vessel, where we get the time of arrival and the vessel's destination. Here we can see this crude oil tanker waiting at anchor, and it's been there for the last couple days. When we zoom into the port itself, we can see which berth the vessels are at, as well as their time of arrival. We can see the GSL Maria arrived earlier today. It's a fully cellular container vessel, and it's at the Bayport 4. This information is provided in tabular format for easy download, as well as historical information. In the Port Analytics Dashboard, you can also see all vessels incoming to your port. Here for the Port of New York, any vessel that is circled having its self-reported destination as being the Port of New York. When you zoom out, you can see vessels as far as India calling to the Port of New York. All of this is visible in the Incoming Vessels tab, where you see the entire list of vessels that are calling to the port as well as their days to arrival. This is using our enhanced ETA capabilities to show the number of days before arrival. When we click on the Port Profile tab, we can get this all summarized for the vessels that have visited the port. Here we have the total berth turnover and anchorage turnover at the port, based off of vessel type, as well as for the individual terminals, where we can see the total terminal throughput of an anchor that those vessels spent prior to arriving at the berth. We also have daily anchorage metrics. What we have is two trend lines, a red one showing the unique number of vessels waiting at anchor each day, and the blue trend line, which is the individual vessels waiting at anchor at midnight each day. With this information, a user is able to see the overall health of a port by looking at the trends of vessels waiting at anchor. Thank you for watching this demo.